In areas like this where you not only have topography, as you can clearly see on the LiDAR, but also mixed agriculture and open pockets of timber, like you can see on the UAV imagery, I like using a split screen mode on the desktop because it allows me more easily to see the terrain features and which areas are wooded or not more easily than if everything was sort of overlaid on top of itself. And I can show an example here too. If I zoom out a little bit and I turn the slope angle shading on top of the LiDAR, I can quickly scan at a really high level and see that, for instance, this ridge right here really pops out in terms of the steepness of that ridge. And if I look at the map on the left, I can see that not only is that ridge line steep, but it's also entirely wooded. Another time I really like looking at the split screen mode is if, let's say, one map is much older than the other, but it has other things I like about it. This map on the left here is really high contrast. However, if I look at the map on the right, which is more recent, you can see that a lot of this area has been logged. So especially in areas that have a lot of active logging operations, I like to use a more recent combined with maybe a map that gives me something else that I like, and I can then look at both of those at the same time. The split screen mode is something that's new to the Spartan Forge desktop version. If you guys are interested in checking out Spartan Forge and haven't already, I do have a discount code. That code is DIY. It'll get you 20% off.